All right, hopefully this thing is recording now. Now, I tried to do this on stream, but conspiracy, right? Unfortunately, we couldn't get any sound, so we're just going to go ahead and record the video. I want to welcome everybody back to the A Jones 602 YouTube channel, all 600 and I think 86 of you it is, or wherever you're watching this video, Instagram, Facebook, or even maybe on our platform, Attune TV. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, subscribing, supporting me, supporting us, supporting everything that we've been doing here over the past, 9 years. And, just really the past 2 years when we've been really pushing and experimenting and trying different things with videos where we've had some success, we've had some loss. And all in all, it's been a great learning experience to get me ready for today's video that we're doing. If you don't know who I am, my name is Anthony, aka Jones. I am the indie CEO. I'm an artist, I am an entrepreneur, and the creator and founder of this platform that I'm going to be actually demoing for you today. Not demolishing, but showing you and guiding you on the way to using our platform to monetize your content, connect with your fan base and just kind of change the narrative around direct to consumer and, just the way we operate on social media overall. So, let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. I know you guys got jobs and things to do, so let's get into it, right? So, company name is Attune the Ultimate Platform, and it's kind of self-explanatory. The app name is Aether. Brought to you by, I will give Zeratom and Ian his credit here. He was a big part in cultivating the design and, kind of the color scheme of what we're doing here. His thing is the green and black as well. So we're going to give credit to where it's due. When we came together and made this platform, I really liked what we had come up with the idea of the logo and the fire encompassing everything. So shout out to him. Hope he's doing well with his endeavors. I did talk to him recently, and hopefully we'll be partnering again soon and figuring something out that. But ultimately, Aether is the application. Attune, the ultimate platform, is the business, the code, the software behind everything we're doing here. And what we do is basically we help creators, small businesses, and just regular people connect and monetize anything from your following to your engagement to your merchandise to your music, your podcast, no matter your coffee shop, your deli shop, no matter what it is that you do, there is a place for you on our platform on Aether, and within the Attune business structure here. And hopefully after this video that you watch today, you'll see how you can use our platform to most benefit you and your supporters, right? We have 3 tiers of membership here, and this may change over time. So if you're watching this video in the future, who knows what we have at that point. But right now we have 3 tiers of membership. It's going to be our $3.99 membership. $4 a month gets you in as a community member. You get to monetize your engagement. You're not going to see any ads in our social network, in our music streaming service, in our video streaming service. You may see some advertisement in the shop area where you buy products, but that's kind of normal, and I think that's just right. You won't see any ads. You get to stream any song that you like, get access to our exclusive events, and discount on the products that creators post once they're on and doing their thing and creating content with us here. Then there's the creative membership, which is $6.99 a month, rounds up to I think around $7 and some change there. This gives you everything you get in the community membership, but now you get to actually monetize your follower count, right? And this is where our big payout comes in for our creators and businesses and etc., right? We're going to pay you actually for every follower that you get on our social network platform. So when they sign up and get their membership and go to your account on our social network and follow you, we're going to give you $1 for every person that does that, right? So let's say on your IG or Facebook, whatever your strongest platform now, you have 5,000 followers. If you can bring those customers, those fans over to Aether, you'll be making $5 grand a month just to already do what you already do: post content in a more exclusive and an all human environment with people that are actually here getting paid to see what you're doing here. And then there's our enterprise membership, right, which is for going to be more so your already established business, coffee shops, restaurants, anybody that's looking for that more one-on-one coaching. You need more in-depth, hands-on with me or my team, my head of operations, my videographers, my photographers, and anything that you need from my side here. You need more hands-on. That's going to be $99 a month, but that really is going to get you close with us here and help us build a great foundation for your company to build the best loyalty program that they've probably ever seen. And on top of that, you're going to be able to get a foot in the door and being a part of something that is maybe could be as big as Facebook one day, TikTok, etc. One of those platforms there. The amazing thing about what we did over here is that is built by me and creatives. So every turn, every corner, you're going to see something that has been well thought out to you and what it is that you need to be successful, right? Those are our 3 memberships for now. I think they're pretty affordable, from $3.99 to $6.99 to $99 a month there. It gives you a wide range of being able to choose how you want to set foot. And of course, with the enterprise membership as well, you still get those dollar per follower payouts as well. So just understand that no matter what, you're going to be, this is an investment that you're making into yourself, into your career, into your business, and there's an ROI already waiting there for you if you put the work in, right? So now that I've kind of explained what the membership levels are, why do we have these memberships, right? What is it that, why all my other social medias are free? I can do whatever I want on there. It's upload, just get on and sign up and etc. But always remember that when something is free, you're the customer, right? Your data, your rights to your music, they have your control is levied when you have a free product that you can maybe upgrade to or upsell to, right? Our goal isn't to be that. Our goal is to bring real people doing real things out in the real world and bridge that gap between the internet and the physical space that we live in, and create a harmony like we used to have, to where people can connect without roadblocks, without the big tech or whoever saying that they don't have the tools or resources to get where they need to go. So we just want to be that platform, that bridge, to be the resources that you need, which is why when we start looking at the platform, you'll see how collaborative that we are, even with what you would maybe call our competition, which is the other streaming platforms, which we don't even see it that way. We see it as, hey, we don't have any competition. We're here to help the user. We're here to help the people. We're here to provide a new way to look at things, right? So that's why we have a pay-in structure, a subscription structure like this with no free buy-in. Once you pay that $4 a month, you're invested as a community member, as a creative. You're invested in the creators we're going to bring on. You're invested in, hey, you know what? I want access to everything for one membership. You're changing the way the game works. So if you're thinking about signing up, think of it in that mindset, right? We're something new. It's not perfect, but the foundation we're building to where you can pay one membership, get access to everything, get paid on top of that, is a really something you want to sit and think about, especially the second when you get off this video. on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, and you think, man, I'm actually watching this video on a social network platform right now, right? So, you know, we have all these other platforms. Joe Budden's got his Twitter clone now. You've got Patreon, we've got Facebook. We are the Switzerland to all those. Work with us, get a membership. We want to get you paid from every way, shape, and form. Okay, I think I've talked that till I'm blue in the face, right? So let's get into the actual platform, right? This is the shop area here, and I want to get into this, but you know, this is going to be more advanced and later on. You know, opening your own e-commerce shop is something that we all want to do. We all want to make money with merch, but not the first thing we should look at because it's not the coolest, right? So if you're looking at me now here on the website, you'll see that I have multiple tabs open here at the top. And that's because our platform is a network of services. We've spent the past 9 years collecting our own proprietary music service, our own video service, our own social network, our own e-commerce platform here, so we could bring you and give you all of it and have you use it and do whatever you want with it, right? So why we have an application is because it is super annoying, as you already know, to be back and forth between any platforms. Facebook, YouTube, gotta post here, gotta post there, gotta post there. We unfortunately haven't solved that problem 100% yet, but it's coming down the line with your support, I promise you that. But what we did do is take all these platforms, put them into one network, put them into one housed application to where you could conveniently bounce back and forth through them without any friction, without ever leaving the app, without you know, having to go through those roadblocks there. And right now we're looking at our streaming service, Aether Audio, right? Which is, I think we can say it's the foundation, but it's just honestly the coolest of all the platforms that we have because it provides so much value to us, right? This platform here is basically our Spotify type service. You can search any song, you can play any song, you could search podcasts from Apple's database as well and play them as well. And you can, you know, sell music on this platform. We've got real charts on our platform that will show here once we're actually playing music here, but it looks like nothing's been played the past couple of days here. So let me see if I play something, if it shows up. Oh, that's right. It plays immediately. So let's see if it'll show up now. Oh, okay. So maybe we need to refresh those charts. Ah, there we go. Perfect. So we got let's hide that video real quick. And you're just seeing me work the platform so naturally. I love this. That's why I love doing this. That's why I love it. So see what I just did there? See, I built it, so I already know how to use it. But the amazing thing is I'm telling you about the streaming service, and we just pop up. We play Misery Business by Paramore, you know, because it's already here. You know, you can see that it plays the music video as well when you stream the song. So such an awesome feature. You can hide the video at any time on the desktop version here as well. And like I was saying, we have these charts here that we use in order to get those organic numbers here. Oh, just a moment. As I was saying, yeah, so we've got actual charts here. So when people play your music, we're going to actually see on a weekly, daily, and as you can see here, even monthly basis, who's actually trending. So the Billboard charts, all that stuff, all these chart metrics to where you're thinking, well, how do they actually get the data? Is it this and that, so on and so forth? Eliminating that issue, we're going to know within the actual platform who is the best. Is it Drake? Is it Kendrick? Is it Sabrina Carpenter? Is it whoever? And as you can see right now, hey, let's go. We got Drake at 1 and 2 with that Bees on the Table. that's my shit. That's my shit. You know, so I play that consistently here, and I mean, obviously, I'm a big fan of Junetober as well here. So these are the records that I've been, just playing and scrolling through, and you seeing that over time here that they're showing up in the charts consistently. Podcast here, we've got a good, we've got a podcast library, but we need more. So if you're on Apple Podcasts, we want you to come and we want to import your podcast from the RSS feed here, and let's see here if it has. Okay, this is gonna be the one without the Apple stuff here. Let me see one of these episodes. So with some episodes on our platform, you're going to see the Apple Podcast import link here. And let's see here. Is it this one, the one that need importer? Yeah. So yeah, as you're on the platform, you'll see some of the podcasts will have these little listen on Apple Podcast buttons here. That's our Apple affiliate partnership kicking in and allowing you to be able to go to iTunes, Apple Podcast, and subscribe. We do get paid from our affiliate partnership with them there, and that just allows us to keep ads away from you, right? And allows us to, get that Apple connection with us to show you that we're working with the biggest companies no matter what. And on the music side, let's go and take a look. So you pull up Misery Business again here, and we see that we've got the Spotify and Apple Music logos right here ready for you, ready for you to go ahead and go to the platform you use and play the song if you'd like. And as you know, we're playing the YouTube video, so they're getting that credit from there anyways, but if they want to go on YouTube and watch it as well, they can do that. Ultimately, we want to give your supporters options, right? The options to, check out your content whenever they like on their terms. And I think that's something that's really beautiful. Like I said, you can sell your music on here as well. And we haven't really added any genres or here we go, they're showing up now. Okay, cool. Any moods, but the genres are here, the artists are here. Once they have music for sale, and we get bigger artists here, I'm sure this place is going to be full of tracks that you can buy. Bringing back that kind of, iTunes is still here, but bringing back that feel of, hey, if I purchase the music, I own it forever and it's mine, right? So you have the option to stream, but some people are going to take advantage of that, of those these tools, and sell their platform direct to consumer, as you should. So you have these platforms like Even and Patreon and etc., your own websites that you build. We even give you the option to make that easier on you. Come here, bring your music already, we already got it, and then just sell your new stuff if you want to go direct to consumer from there. Don't take your music off of these platforms that are potentially paying you to have your music on there. Keep it on there. Bring your new stuff here, make it exclusive. Don't kill out the fans that you already have over $1 billion company that doesn't give a shit about you. That's just about creating revenue. You know what I mean? So when I talk about music, yeah, I take my music off of platforms consistently because they play games and try to say you're using bots or this and that, so on, so forth. And for me, when my stuff comes down, they always end up owing me money from the royalties. So when they see it comes back, I always send the information. It's legitimate, and even though I take it down anyways, like even now I have almost $200-300 in royalty payouts just waiting from this last round of promotion that we just did. So the crazy part is about having your own direct consumer platform. No more worrying about that. If you have your music on there and you get flagged by the system or etc., just or not, for us it is not just at all, because we only do organic stuff. It sits in our nature. But for you, if that's something you'd like to do, hey, you got another spot to where, hey, you can't do bots here, but if your organic fan base will always have access to your music at least, So that's what we're gonna say on that. On top of that, we've got, radio ready for you here. And I actually don't have the radio station put on here, but on the home page here, you'll see that the station is right here. Boom. So if you're a radio station, regardless of where you're at in the world, universe, if you've got that high quality link that you can drop for your live show, bring it over to Aether and start monetizing that base. Get your radio station here, start monetizing on a platform that they'll have to pay you for to get access to. Keep your radio station free, but make sure that the day ones that support you and that are willing to keep you rocking can do that. And with Aether, you can bring your radio station, have them pay that membership, get that dollar per follower. Now you're building a foundation to, support yourself and whatever it is that you're doing here. So we could talk on and on about the music, right? You can share your profile here, create playlist, just like any other streaming service as well. As an artist, you'll be able to actually upload music, and once you claim this, the first time you hit this upload thing, you'll need to claim yourself and verify yourself as an artist. And then after that, you'll be able to upload files and start upload music, and you'll get access to the actual artist and band manager here, which will show your royalty payouts for the songs that you play, how many followers you have, give you the option to withdraw, because we also pay per stream as well on top of that. So, on top of us getting you that dollar per follower, we're doing all the other regular things that the platforms already do. Paying per stream, giving you direct uploads, giving you access to podcasts, giving you access to organic charts, everything that you really need to be successful in this direct to consumer market, right? And this is my picture straight from Spotify. I searched it, I claimed myself as a profile, approved myself, right? Because I'm the owner, and you can all see that this is me, right? Yeah. So you'll do the same, and then you'll be able to have access to this. And as a regular user, if you're not an artist, like, how cool is it just to have a platform? You pay $4 a month, and now you can just play any song you like. No skip ads, no, hey, no other memberships. You're gonna get this and be able to create the playlist of the music that you love the most from any decade, any time. If it's on YouTube, if it's in Spotify's library, we have it. So let's see if this app has loaded or if we're stuck in time here. Okay, cool. So we can actually move forward on this a little bit. You're seeing this is the walkthrough of the application. You can see that it's functioning and it works. Oh, it works, baby. It is 100% native. Let's get started. Showing you music, podcasts, and more. Everything. 9 years of hard work here coming to you guys very soon to the App Store. Yep, shop with creative small businesses and more. Yep, I'm in. I do want to be notified, of course, of course. Allow that. I actually do like Apple's new style with this stuff here. Okay, once you're past the notification screen and you've accepted the privacy terms and everything like that, it's going to bring you to the login page for the social network platform. And by this time, you should already have an account with us, but if you don't, all you have to do is head over to humansonlyofficial.com/app, hit the pricing plans option, and then it will bring you to this page, and you can hit get started on whichever plan that you'd like, and it'll send you over to the social network where you'll then be able to create an account, and then of course join the platform there. And once you actually get into the social network here, you will see, give it a second to load, that it's pretty familiar with pretty much any social network that you used before. Groups, pages. You have the ability to post images, reels, upload video, GIFs, record your voice, feelings, upload files, sell test products as well to before you open your e-commerce store there, create polls, share your location in an audio upload as well. And as far as even deeper, you can monetize these posts as well and have people pay to see them, and filter it out to who actually sees those posts as well here. So everything that you can do and some with us over here at Aether. Want to create blogs, you can do that, albums, fundraiser requests, and like I said, groups and pages as well. I keep the application logged out for now just because I really want you guys to go in and explore and really look at everything and play around with it and see what you really want to do with it. So that being said, we're going to take a look at the profile and then we'll move on from there. And if you hover on the web version, you'll see, get a little card with the profile here and shows your gender and whatnot, shows if you're online or not as well, and we are online. So let's go. Quick load into the profile here. Nothing crazy, just your regular profile with a cover and avatar and your latest post and your timeline here as well. Now I want to reiterate how important it is that when you're signing up that you understand that we're paying you to engage with the content on the platform, and it's transparent, it's here for you, and you can track it every step of the way. So this tells you what you get your points for: commenting, creating a post, reacting, and creating blogs as well here on the social network. But within the video platform, you get that engagement points as well, and they're separate banks here. So you could use it on one platform to cover your membership, and then if you have enough on the other one, you could do the same, and that's 2 months free there. And you can see here all the things that you will get incentivized for doing on the platform. So we pay our creators, we pay our community. We want everybody to just think about the quality of the content and what these guys are doing, what they're putting out, and really see who is the cream of the crop out there. And that being said, we'll move on to Attune TV as well, the platform. This will have its own TV type of application as well, similar to YouTube TV here. And on our platform, we'll be able to host movies, that stock video as well, see who's organically trending in that video content area. It's got an article area as well. And this platform also carries the live stream for us as well, and that's on mobile and desktop. It's usable. You can use a OBS RTMP stream key as well in order to privately stream to the platform. And yeah, just some amazing features that we've been able to put inside everything here. So let's get back home. And just show you right now. Show you guys the profile. Similar to my social profile as well. Of course, as if you're not, and of course once you begin, you're not going to want to upload every single video again. So that's why we gave it the import option here, which allows you to be able to drop those YouTube videos, any YouTube video really that's not a live stream, and import it and get organized immediately, quickly, bring those fans over and have them watching your old stuff, their new stuff, without ads, in a exclusive environment with you here. And that's pretty much it for the the media platforms. And let's move on to now the marketplace here, which is our vendor marketplace, which allows people to sell anything they'd like, and if you're a customer, allows you to purchase from any of our sellers here. Now everybody gets access to this my account section here, where you can access most of these things on the side here: your wallet, payment methods, account details, support tickets. But if you're a vendor, you'll see a few more options here, and you'll see this button that allows you to go to your actual dashboard here. With your $6.99 membership, you get your own e-commerce storefront that allows you to have full control over the products, the orders, you can do subscriptions, people can request quotes, you can do your own coupons, set your own delivery drivers, you'll have reviews, and of course withdraw money to pay yourself as well. We're working on this badge system here to see what we're going to do with that as far as verification, as a true organic e-commerce or even physical vendor as well. The point is we can bring our coffee shops here. We can bring any platform that is doing something major, that wants to become more in-house, have less fees, and build that loyalty program with that $1 per follower here. So I won't go over everything, but yeah, all this stuff here you'll have access to as an actual storefront owner here. And without going too much further in depth, I think we've pretty much covered it all. So let's circle back to the beginning. 3 membership tiers: $3.99, $6.99, and $99 a month here. Community, you get to monetize that engagement by getting paid for people to comment on your post, and vice versa. You doing the same for them. Get access to that unlimited music, exclusive events, and discounts on the products that these creators will soon drop with us here. As far as the $6.99 creative membership, it's going to be the most value, where you can monetize $1 per follower per month. Right after that 90-day window, will pay you for every follower that stays with you on a monthly basis, and gives you the ability to freely create content, freely do everything that you need to do to move to the next level and creating your endeavor into an actual career. And the $99 enterprise plan, which gives us that one-on-one coaching with me and my team and my head of operations, where we build the success plan to really lock in on your community, and we pretty much white glove service, get everything taken care of for you. I appreciate you guys tuning in to this video here, and hopefully you'll want to sign up and see what everything's about. Thank you so much for your time, and stay attuned.